Hello, today I'm going to talk about Down syndrome. We all know that Down syndrome is caused by an extra chromosome. Normally, we have 46 chromosome, but that extra chromosome leads to 47 chromosome. So this extra chromosome that is seen in Down syndrome leads to various changes in how a child appears physically, as well as it impacts their brain development. So they have certain mongoloid features and certain physical features which give us a clue towards the diagnosis. What we need to make sure about children on Down syndrome is we need to monitor 5 or 6 medically associated conditions, and we need to keep them in very regular follow up with us. Also, monitoring of their growth and development is very, very important because it is associated, Down syndrome is known to be associated with intellectual disability, and they are known to have developmental delays. So, we need to monitor their growth regularly via Down syndrome growth charts. We need to make sure that their vision and their hearing tests are done on a regular basis every 6 months in the first year of their life, thereafter, annually. And then at birth, we need to do a cardiac echocardiography to rule out any congenital defect, if it is any, and that needs to be treated on time. We need to look at if they are digesting their food well, or if there is any kind of a severe constipation that needs to be addressed and their cause needs to be detected. So the child again needs a regular follow up on that. Then also, thyroid functions are known to be hampered or impaired. So we need to keep a very close monitoring of the thyroid functions in a child on Down syndrome. Developmental milestones need to be followed up very regularly. So at Continua Kids, we have a special Down syndrome booklet that we use and give it to the parents so that they know what all needs to be followed up, what is the age at which all the necessary follow up checks need to be done, including the growth monitoring. And also, the treatment for Down syndrome is usually includes multidisciplinary care. So we need various interventions and therapies to help the child cope up with the developmental delays and the hypotonia that they have, so that we can help them achieve various milestones. So all these therapies happen under one roof at Continua Kids, and it is directly supervised by our doctors, like developmental pediatrician and pediatric neurologist. So if your child has Down syndrome, please reach out to us and feel free to seek our support and help, and also make full use of the Down syndrome booklet that we have designed for the parent support. Thank you.